Political description. America first, American first. Everyone would have heard about product war. Product war in the sense a company has brought a product and then another company is bringing a kind of competitor in competition another product and there is a product war. So product war people generally they would have heard like a typical a laptop is brought by one company Dell and then Lenovo also brought the laptop and now there is a product war. Now in desktop software, there is a product war. Like Microsoft Windows is there, then someone is bringing Mac OS and someone is bringing Ubuntu Linux based or whatever. There is a product war. First time people are hearing there is a tariff war that is placed in America. This is first time anyone would be seeing at this largest scale. Now today is 5th of the April and today is morning, right now it is evening in India and morning in the America and today night American time 10% basic tariff on all the products entering into the America from all the companies product entering into America 10% tariff will be applied on them 5th April 2025 and 9th April 2025 every country which has more than 10% tariff now that will be applied on 9th of April. On China it will be anyway I believe it is 20% and 34% more will be applied. So 54% from the 9th April night. On India it is 27%. Like that, I believe on Japan 28% or 24%. Like that, on every country retaliatory tariff or reciprocal tariff, half of the tariff was they are deducting for the American product entering into their country. Whatever the tax they are collecting, half of them will be imposed on them when their product is entering into America from the 9th of April. From today, 5th of April, it will be 10%. 10% will be applied on everyone. So this is called trade trade tariff war. Why it is a war? In the sense that China has declared now 34% extra tariff on American goods entering into China. This is called retaliatory taxes. Now, China, American product, they are paying 56% when they enter into China, plus 34%, 90% tariff. Now, China is going to input on the American product, 90%. After this announcement, now the 2 days consecutive Wall Street Stock Exchange in America, it fell 2 days continuous, Thursday and Friday, 2 days continuous, and it led to $6 trillion loss in the trade market. $6 trillion loss. $6 trillion loss. America trade deficit in 1 year is $1.2 trillion. American trade market lost $6 trillion in 2 days. Anyway, whatever it is, China has not stopped here only. 34% extra tariff on the American product. China has not stopped here only. Now, China has declared that all the precious metal, that is called rare earth metal like gadolinium, trillium. These are the rare earth metals that are used in manufacturing of semiconductor devices and they are used by US company and when they are imported into America 70% of them come from China only. China is the largest exporter of the rare earth metal. 70% of the American import of the rare earth metal comes from China only. China has stopped exporting it to America. Now, American semiconductor companies are on toss now. Where from they will get the rare earth metal? Their productivity will go down or it will stop. Okay. Anyway, these are the present scenario. Now, Donald Trump is jumping. Donald Trump is booming. He is saying that the company who are making powerful products for them, this is nothing. If we are putting the custom tariff on them, then this is nothing on them. If their product has quality, then they will move ahead and they will invest in America. There is no extra taxes on investing in America. There is no custom import taxes when they invest in the America. So all the companies globally, especially Chinese company, if they are really good and powerful, American people like their product, then they will bypass this import tariff and they will invest in America. This is what Donald Trump is saying. Let the market plunge for some time, but it will boom again because trade will start happening where people will start investing in America. This is what Donald Trump is saying. This is what our roadmap is. That the idea of putting the wall of the trade tariff wall is to stop the cheap guys, cheap people whose product are not good. If product is solid, then they will invest in the America. We are not greedy for the taxes. This is what he is saying. We are not greedy for the taxes. They invest in America. We are not going to take any tax from them. It is as good as they are American companies only. Then they can sell in the American market and they can pay sale tax. Anyway, what are the consequences of this? The biggest consequences is that American companies, when they are exporting in globally, especially into China, and all the countries in globally, they have declared retaliatory tax on American companies. In that sense, they will suffer a lot. American companies will suffer a lot. Their product is not that good quality in respect to the prices what they are taking. Price is very high. In that sense, they will suffer a lot. And second thing that will suffer is Chinese people who are working in the company. Now these people, they will lose job when Chinese company will invest in America, or Chinese company will invest in the cheap labor country like Taiwan, Thailand and Myanmar, Thailand and kind of Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, this kind of. Anyway, Chinese company will lose a job. Anyway, now we have to wait and watch how much Donald Trump is successful in his motives. Whatever he is saying, that this will bring more boom into the market. People are fearing of now inflation. Inflation means price rise will be there. Because of the high taxes, price will go up. If it goes up, then many people will not be able to buy it. This is called inflation. Price is high and people will lose the purchasing power. In that sense, it will lead to recession. This is what people are expecting. But Donald Trump is saying market will boom when companies around the globe they will invest in America. Mr. Donald Trump, what will happen when companies around the globe, means Chinese company, they will start investing more into other countries than America, because all the other countries they are going to put tariff on the American company. In that sense, American product will be very highly priced in all the countries. Then Chinese product will be best suited for them, even though they are of low quality. In that sense, what will happen to the American companies? That is the question. And that in that sense, and then Chinese company or any other company, they will not invest in the America. Then America will come into a great danger point, whereas world market will boom. World market will boom. Chinese people will get the job, but American company, American people, American government, all condition will deteriorate day by day. Now it's a matter of time that we have to wait and watch and see that who is correct. Mr. Donald Trump is correct, or or the kind of other global trade scenario that people are expecting now, that is correct. We will wait and watch and see.